Neil, markets have been up and down, haven't they, last few weeks, and inflation is just everything we're looking at the minute.
What did we just say?
You've got a special word for it.
Yes, transitional inflation narrative, which has been used by 5 central banks this week.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it means, but transitional now means 3 months.
Yeah.
So every figure that comes out now will be judged on 3 months, not for April's figure, or May's figure, or June's figure. So look at August. So that's the key. Above that this week, it's been very quiet. I spoke to someone who's been away. One of our members sailing from St Lucia to Gibraltar, 1-to-1s, and he left. The last 4 days he's been away, the FTSE has changed by 4 ticks. So very cool.
So it sums the market up in a minute.
Yeah.
But I mean, inflation. In terms of inflation, it's obvious it's coming. The figures are showing inflation, but then the speakers are coming out and saying it's going to be temporary inflation.
Yes.
They're just playing
transitional.
it down. For me, they're just playing it down.
Yeah, they're at the moment it's working.
Yeah.
But if inflation like CPI came out at 0.8, which works out 9.6% a year, if inflation is above 2% or 3% or 4%, then the equations don't work anymore.
Do you think them playing it down is protecting the markets, or do you think it could be temporary?
My view is, being only a bit older than you,
Yeah.
a couple of years maybe, that no one's seen inflation in 20 years.
Yeah.
So they can say that. But I mean, a bit older, trading under inflation, you can't stop inflation with a red light.
So obviously we're both pretty bear traders, aren't we now?
Yes.
For myself, I'm thinking inflation's inevitable, and I'm building my short positions on the stock market. What's your thoughts?
Well, it's quite painful at the moment.
But that's why you've got to manage it as a swing trade.
Yeah. Maybe gold rallied this week, tell the story.
Yeah.
Back to $1,900, it's been all year. And again, in all fairness, a lot of members got on that with yields dropping. I think with inflation, it's a bit like when they shout the word pandemic, you react.
Yeah.
But at the moment, transitional inflation narrative, it means it's okay.
So the figures are going to be the key, and tomorrow we've got a big figure again.
GDP, the last figure of the month. Those of you, a quick one, those of you who aren't aware how the figures work, the same figures come out every month. And all those figures, retail sales, investment, construction spending, retail sales, all encompass one big figure called the GDP, hence it's the last figure of the month, and that is what the big boys look at to decree whether inflation is going up or down, or interest rates going up and down.
Yeah.
So it's always around about the 27th to the end of the month.
So we'll save our bullets for tomorrow.
Also, while we're here, month end Friday for
That's
UK
it.
because we're shut Monday.
Yeah.
Watch this space.
Yeah. So tomorrow and Friday, big trading days ahead.
Yeah.
Cheers for the insight now.